Erythritol has gained popularity as a sugar replacement. Erythritol provides sweetness without the calories or blood sugar spikes associated with sugar. Here are some of the advantages and potential disadvantages of erythritol. Listen in full to learn about the heart health risk. Erythritol is a sugar alcohol that is often used as a sugar substitute and sweetener in various food and beverage products. Advantages of erythritol. 1. Approved for use in food as a sweetener. The FDA permits the use of sugar alcohols, another class of sweeteners, as sugar substitutes. Examples include erythritol. Sugar alcohols are slightly lower in calories than sugar and do not promote tooth decay or cause a sudden increase in blood glucose. They primarily sweeten sugar-free candies, cookies, and chewing gums. 2. No impact on blood sugar. Erythritol does not raise blood sugar levels, making it a safe option for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. 3. Low in calories. Erythritol is very low in calories, providing only about 0.2 calories per gram, which is about 6% of the calories in an equivalent amount of sugar. This makes it a suitable choice for those looking to reduce calorie intake. 4. Tooth-friendly. Unlike sugar, erythritol is not fermentable by oral bacteria, so it is less likely to contribute to tooth decay or cavities. 5. Well tolerated. Many people tolerate erythritol well, as it is absorbed in the small intestine and excreted unchanged in the urine. It is less likely to cause digestive issues like gas and bloating compared to some other sugar alcohols like xylitol or sorbitol. 6. Naturally occurs in some foods. Erythritol can be found naturally in small amounts in certain fruits, such as watermelon and grapes, and some fermented foods like cheese and wine. Potential disadvantages of erythritol. 1. Less sweet than sugar. Erythritol is only about 70% as sweet as sugar, so you may need to use more of it to achieve the same level of sweetness. This can impact the texture and taste of certain recipes. 2. Laxative effect in high doses. Consuming large amounts of erythritol, typically more than 50 grams in a single dose, can cause digestive discomfort, including diarrhea, in some individuals. However, this is less common compared to other sugar alcohols like xylitol and sorbitol. 3. Cooling effect. Some people report a cooling sensation when consuming erythritol, which can be perceived as a minty or refreshing taste. This sensation may not be pleasant to everyone. 4. Manufacturing process. Most commercial erythritol is produced through a fermentation process using non-GMO cornstarch, and some people may have concerns about the sourcing and processing of the raw materials. 6. Heart health risk. Circulating levels of multiple polyol sweeteners, especially erythritol, were associated with risk for major adverse cardiovascular events. This includes death or non-fatal myocardial infarction or stroke. Read the reference on the description for more detail. If you have listened so far, please subscribe and hit the like button. 5. Taste variability. The taste of erythritol can vary between brands, and some people may not find it as satisfying as other sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. As with any dietary choice, individual responses can vary, and if you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on the use of saccharin or other sweeteners in your diet. If you have particular dietary restrictions or health conditions, consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance can be beneficial. See above for another video relevant to your health. End of video.